for Just Nailed It, and we are here today with Ladies of YouTube. We are doing neons. So we have got us a set right here. We are using Nail Reserve LA. I got me some beautiful, beautiful colors. Purple, green, and orange. We have got Province, Second Chance, and Love Potion. They are true to color. They are beautiful. Let's take us a little gander. These are brand new bottles. I did a recent video where I swatched, unboxed, or I should say unboxed and swatched. You can find that video on my YouTube channel. Go check it out. Have yourself a view. And any other videos as well. I did these over white. And as you can see, I did two nails here in a French style. And that's what we're going to continue on with. I've got me black as well on my palette. And we are going to continue on. Crack on, as Pumpkin would say. So that's what we're going to do here. And a cow-white type pattern. I've got my dotting tool out. I'm just going to maybe a dot here and there. These two over here have been fully cured. 60 seconds. Put that here. That up there. I'm just going to continue on. Making me some cow white marks. You're probably all wondering what is going on with my mother. I am filming this on August the 6th. A little bit ahead of time, like a week or so. So as of date, my mother's ammonia levels are up. When that happens, it makes her really confused. Or she don't understand things. It just breaks my heart too. It just really breaks my heart. And she kept telling me no tonight when I was trying to feed her. She's like, no. I'm like, open your mouth, Mom. No, but then she'd eat. So she just doesn't understand things. And once to get her money levels back on track, she acts like Mom again, and it's really unfair. Really unfair. So, that's going on, which means to me, it's like she's unstable. I don't know if we'll put her back in the hospital. These are going to lay up for 60 seconds. I don't know if we'll keep her in the rehab. She's in a health and physical rehab center in Canton, Michigan. I don't know if they'll keep her there still, because she was supposed to have been discharged last Thursday on where the date would have been. I appealed, we won the appeal. I don't know if they'll keep her there still while this is going on, because she can't really do physical therapy. She's just not coherent right now with this, where her levels are elevated like they are. She's stiffened up, like I can't even explain how her arms are like crossed at her chest. I just feel like that's my fault. I really do. So we're back out of the layup. This is our neon set, short and sweet. We've got our nail reserve at the top. This is the top coat. This is what we're going to use. Let's see what else is going on. They're trying to get my mom's levels under control. That's out of whack. Her sodium's out of whack. Her thyroid's out of whack. She's got a lot of stuff going on still. That's why I don't know if they're going to take her back to the hospital or where she's at, try to get things under control. I'm trying to get a meeting with the head doctor there. That's what I want. I want to talk to the doctor. That is what I want. To talk to the doctor. The head doctor. Dr. Gupta. I don't want to talk to the nurse practitioner. I mean, I appreciate them all. I really, really do. I appreciate. I mean, they've been great, all of them. I want to talk to the head honcho. There's just been so much going on. The one facility she was at, the ones that screwed her up, I went over there last Thursday trying to get her records from there. I had power of attorney over my mom. They wouldn't give them to me. My mother was to hear it when she left. That's what they said. Your mother was to hear it when she left here. When she can get them. You don't get power of attorney over your mother. And they handed me back the power of attorney papers. So, I took the papers back. I was nice and said thank you. I go, but my mother is bedridden. She can't walk, she can't stand. She's going in for 60. We'll bring her in a wheelchair, is what they said. So, anybody knows anything about somebody's bedridden, I figure I'm going to get her in a wheelchair, get her in a vehicle. I'm going to do this. How? How? She's in a facility. They're going to have the facility where she's at. Get her from us. Mail reserve. I have a code in the description box. Also, I'll put it across the bottom of the screen. Across the bottom of the screen for mail reserve LA. Mail reserve LA. Mail reserve LA. I'm Empress Finito. Again, this is Ladies of YouTube. In the comments will be pinned the playlist so you can take a look at everyone who did a video. Instagram will be the collage, as well as collage will be everyone who took part, that did pictures, not just the video. I'm sure you know what I mean. But they're the ones, the first facility, not the hospital. Hospital took great care of my mom. First rehab center, she was here for a week. Friday to Friday, I believe it was. I knew I pulled her out on Friday because they screwed my mother up really bad. I think this is super cool. This is not a no wipe. Oh! Okay, we are back. I had to improvise. Can't find a free wipe to save my life, so we had to improvise. I wasn't going to improvise on camera either, so it's not a no wipe. Unfortunately, I'm a no wipe kind of girl. You gotta remember this is a no wipe top coat. I do have a no wipe though, I thought. I gotta look. I gotta put a mark on here so that I know it's not a no wipe though. Can't remember how or what or why for, but whatever. So we're finito. These are now finished. Now finished. So these are my neons for Ladies of YouTube. These are my neons. So leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. They're kind of cool. Found the idea on Pinterest. Me and Christine from Life of Christine were talking about, you know, what we were going to do. Neither one of us had an idea in our mind, so Pinterest. This was my idea that I picked. So let me comment what you think. Have you ever used Nail Reserve? Check them out, nailreserve.com. Use my code at checkout. Be across the bottom of the screen. Save yourself some coins. Please subscribe to my channel. Click all the notification bell, that way you get notified of all future videos, giveaways, and anything important that may slide across my desk. Have yourselves a blessed day. Thank you.